Wait, don't scroll. If you have just 2 eggs and some cheese, this wrap will change your breakfast. Welcome back to African Village Flavors. If you're new here, welcome to our kitchen. Hit that like and subscribe. It truly helps us keep sharing simple, delicious recipes. Now, let's make this cheesy omelet wrap. We'll begin by cracking 2 fresh eggs into a bowl. Nothing fancy here, just simple, honest cooking. Now for seasoning, a pinch of salt, a pinch of black pepper, and garlic to taste. Give it a gentle whisk until everything comes together nicely. You want the eggs smooth and airy. That's what gives us a soft omelet later. Next, let's prepare our vegetables. We start with tomatoes, diced into small cubes so they cook quickly and release their juices evenly. For those who don't like tomatoes, you can use red or yellow bell peppers, or for a healthy touch, you can use spinach. Let me know in the comments what else you can add in our omelet. Then we move on to spring onions, sliced thin for that fresh, slightly sweet flavor. Again, if you're not into spring onions, you can use some fried garlic or mushrooms for the savory and meaty taste. These are simple ingredients that you have in your kitchen, but when they come together, they create magic. Trust me, by the end of this video, you will have to try this cheesy omelet. Now, place a pan on medium heat and lightly brush it with cooking oil. Once the pan is warm, gently pour in your egg mixture. Don't rush this part. Let the eggs settle and spread naturally across the pan. We'll give it about 1 minute, just enough for the base to start setting. Before we go on, we're building a small cooking family here, so if this recipe speaks to you, like and subscribe to join us. Your support truly keeps this channel growing. Don't forget to share this video with friends. This is where the fun begins. On one side of the omelet, add your diced tomatoes. Don't spread them unevenly. Keep them tacked in on one side as I am doing, so that we can wrap our omelet with ease. Next, on another side, sprinkle your grated cheese. Be generous here. This is a cheesy omelet after all. If there is one thing that my family truly loves, is mozzarella cheese recipes. Give this a try and let me know in the comments section where you're watching us from. And on the last section, add your spring onions. Each section has its own flavor and we'll bring them together shortly. Cover the pan and let it cook on medium heat for about 2 minutes. This helps the cheese melt beautifully while keeping the omelet soft and fluffy. Now gently slice the omelet into sections. First, fold the spring onion side over the cheese. Then fold that over the tomatoes. And just like that, you've created a beautiful layered omelet wrap, cheesy, juicy, and full of flavor. Look at that, what do you think? Let me know in the comments. Simple, quick, and absolutely delicious. Perfect for breakfast, a light lunch, or even a quick dinner. Let's slice our omelet and see how it looks inside. The aroma is mouth-watering. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like and comment. And if you're new here, subscribe for more simple, delicious recipes every week. Your support truly means everything to us. But what happens if you add potato slices to eggs? Will it turn into an amazing meal or a complete disaster? Let's find out. First, take 1 potato and slice it into thin slices. Do the same with also 1 carrot. Thin slices help everything cook fast and evenly. Heat a pan and add a little oil. Place the potato slices in the pan and cook for about 2 minutes, flipping until they turn golden brown on both sides. As we wait for our potato chips to cook, let's prepare our cilantro by chopping them into small chunks. If you love quick and yummy breakfast ideas like this, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Once they're nicely cooked, arrange them in the pan. Add the carrot slices and some tomatoes on top. Leaving a little space between them, this helps the omelet bind everything together perfectly. Now, crack 2 eggs into a bowl. Add a pinch of salt, a little garlic and ginger powder, and some fresh coriander. Mix everything well until fully combined. Pour the egg mixture gently over the vegetables. Cook on medium heat for about 1 minute, then flip. After another minute, look at that. Soft, fluffy, golden, and smelling absolutely amazing. Transfer it to a plate. Slice a small piece. Even my cameraman can't wait for a bite. So simple, so fluffy, and so delicious. And the best part? This breakfast takes just 3 minutes to make. Just look at that. Try this recipe today. Share it with someone who loves quick breakfasts. And subscribe to African Village Flavors for more easy, budget-friendly recipes like this. Let me know in the comments what you think of our omelet breakfast. It didn't turn out to be a disaster after all. Which one would you choose for breakfast? The cheesy egg wrap or the potato and egg recipe? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. It's completely free.